Morning, just out for a walk today. You can see all the parrots, cockatiels. They're gorgeous. Lovely sunny day. Looks like it's going to be low 30s today, so a bit cooler. Well, I just thought you'd like to see all the wildlife today. They're making a lot of noises. There you all are. And we're back at Woodbridge Lakes, so oh, they are noisy. I think they're worse than the seagulls in Portsmouth, to be honest with you. So yeah, I saw a lady yesterday morning when I was on my walk. She was feeding them all. She was just surrounded by parrots, the pink ones, pink and grey. I haven't seen these white ones before. I'm guessing they're all indigenous anyway. So, but yeah, this is lovely Woodbridge Lakes this morning. My favourite part. Have a good day.